The future is here, and it's arriving faster than we ever imagined. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the world around us. It's not just a concept from science fiction anymore. It's a reality that's integrating into our daily lives. From self-driving cars that promise safer roads to personalized medicine that tailors treatments to individual patients, AI is poised to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. Imagine a world where your car drives you to work while you prepare for your day, or where your doctor uses AI to diagnose illnesses with unprecedented accuracy. But this technological revolution comes with a big question. Will AI replace our jobs? The anxiety is palpable among many workers who fear that their roles may become obsolete. The answer is complex. AI will undoubtedly automate many tasks currently performed by humans. Routine and repetitive tasks are the first to be targeted, from assembly lines to customer service roles. This automation could lead to job displacement in certain sectors. Entire industries may be transformed, leaving workers to wonder about their future. However, history has shown us that technological advancements also create new industries and opportunities. The Industrial Revolution, for example, led to the creation of entirely new job categories and economic growth. The key to thriving in the age of AI lies in understanding its potential impact and adapting our skills accordingly. Education and training will be crucial in this new era. We must focus on skills that AI cannot easily replicate, such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. We must embrace lifelong learning and cultivate skills that complement AI's strengths. Online courses, workshops, and continuous professional development will be essential in staying relevant. This essay will explore the evolving relationship between AI and the job market, examining both the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. By understanding and preparing for these changes, we can ensure that the future is not one of doom, but of new dawns and endless possibilities. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's already transforming numerous industries. In manufacturing, robots and AI-powered systems are automating assembly lines, increasing efficiency, and improving precision. This automation allows human workers to focus on more complex tasks, requiring creativity and problem-solving skills. In healthcare, AI is assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, developing personalized treatment plans, and even performing surgeries with greater accuracy. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns and insights that humans might miss. This technology has the potential to revolutionize healthcare delivery and improve patient outcomes. Retail is another industry experiencing a significant AI makeover. AI-powered chatbots are providing instant customer service, personalized recommendations, and seamless online shopping experiences. AI algorithms are also optimizing inventory management, reducing waste, and improving supply chain efficiency. While AI offers tremendous potential, certain jobs are more susceptible to automation than others. Repetitive, rules-based tasks such as data entry, accounting, and telemarketing are prime candidates for AI takeover. These jobs often involve following a set of instructions, making them relatively easy to automate. Manufacturing jobs that involve repetitive physical tasks are also at risk. As robots become more sophisticated and affordable, they are increasingly replacing human workers on assembly lines and in factories. This trend is particularly evident in industries like automotive manufacturing and electronics assembly. Furthermore, some white-collar jobs, such as paralegals and financial analysts, are also facing potential automation. AI algorithms can now analyze legal documents, financial statements, and market trends with remarkable speed and accuracy, potentially displacing some professionals in these fields. Section 4. The rise of AI-powered jobs, new opportunities await. While AI will undoubtedly displace some existing jobs, it will also create new ones. The advent of AI technology is not just a revolution in automation, but a gateway to a plethora of new career paths. These new roles will require individuals with specialized skills in AI development, implementation, and maintenance. Data scientists, AI engineers, and machine learning specialists will be at the forefront of this transformation. As companies seek to leverage AI's power, the demand for these professionals will skyrocket. They will be responsible for creating algorithms, developing AI models, and ensuring that these systems function efficiently and effectively. Furthermore, the ethical implications of AI will create a need for professionals who can ensure these technologies are developed and used responsibly. AI ethics consultants, algorithm bias auditors, and AI policy analysts will play crucial roles in shaping the ethical landscape of this transformative technology. These roles will involve scrutinizing AI systems for biases, ensuring compliance with regulations, and advocating for fair and transparent AI practices. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, the demand for professionals who can bridge the gap between humans and machines will continue to grow. AI trainers, explainers, and human AI interaction designers will be essential in ensuring a seamless and productive collaboration between humans and AI systems. These professionals will be responsible for educating others about AI, demonstrating its applications, and facilitating its integration into various sectors. Human AI interaction designers, in particular, will focus on creating intuitive interfaces and ensuring that AI systems are user-friendly. They will work to make the interaction between humans and machines as natural and efficient as possible, paving the way for a future where AI is an integral part of our daily lives. Section 5. Humans and AI, a powerful partnership. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, we should embrace its potential to augment our capabilities and create a more productive and fulfilling work environment. By leveraging AI, we can enhance our efficiency and open up new avenues for innovation. This collaboration can lead to groundbreaking advancements across various industries, from healthcare to education and beyond. AI can handle repetitive and data-intensive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on creativity, critical thinking, and complex problem-solving. This shift allows employees to engage in more meaningful and intellectually stimulating work, which can lead to higher job satisfaction and a more motivated workforce. For example, in healthcare, AI can assist doctors with diagnoses and treatment planning, analyzing vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns and suggest potential solutions. This not only speeds up the diagnostic process but also increases accuracy, ultimately leading to better patient outcomes, allowing them to spend more time with patients, providing empathetic care and building stronger relationships. The human touch remains irreplaceable in healthcare, and AI can help ensure that doctors have more time to connect with their patients on a personal level. In education, AI-powered tutoring systems can personalize learning experiences for students, adapting to their individual needs and learning styles. This personalized approach can help students grasp complex concepts more effectively and at their own pace. While teachers can focus on mentorship, guidance, and fostering creativity, by offloading routine tasks to AI, educators can dedicate more time to inspiring and nurturing their students' unique talents and interests. The key to a successful human-AI partnership lies in recognizing the unique strengths and limitations of each. By understanding and respecting these differences, we can create a harmonious and effective collaboration that leverages the best of both worlds. AI excels at processing information, identifying patterns, and automating tasks. Its ability to handle large volumes of data quickly and accurately makes it an invaluable tool in many sectors, from logistics to finance. Humans, on the other hand, possess emotional intelligence, creativity, and the ability to think critically and adapt to changing circumstances. These qualities are essential for innovation, leadership, and navigating the complexities of the modern world. Together, humans and AI can achieve remarkable things, driving progress and improving our quality of life. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's clear that the road ahead will be shaped by our willingness to embrace AI and its transformative potential. The future is not something that happens to us, it is something we create together. By fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptability, we can ensure that both individuals and organizations are well prepared to navigate the evolving landscape. Imagine a world where AI and humans collaborate seamlessly, where technology enhances our lives without overshadowing our humanity. In this future, AI will be our partner, our tool, and our catalyst for change. It will help us solve the most pressing challenges of our time, from climate change to global health crises and beyond. But this vision requires us to take proactive steps today. We must invest in education and training programs that equip people with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven world. Businesses should foster an environment that encourages innovation and supports employees through this transition. Policymakers need to craft regulations that ensure ethical AI development and protect the interests of society as a whole. The journey won't be without its challenges, but with the right mindset and collaborative spirit, we can turn potential obstacles into opportunities. Let's embrace the promise of AI, not with fear, but with excitement and optimism for what we can achieve together. As we move forward, remember that the power to shape the future lies in our hands. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and stay hopeful. Together, we can build a world where technology and humanity coexist harmoniously, driving progress and enhancing our collective well-being. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out our next video, where we'll dive deeper into the fascinating world of AI and its impact on our daily lives. Until next time, stay inspired and keep exploring the possibilities.